Keeping our trucks clean inside and outside is very important. We have a large variety of stock and inventory in our trucks that maintains when we come out to your house, pretty much 10 out of 10 times we have the part in the truck to solve the problem. You know, we service every make and model out there, okay? We're well abreast and engineered in knowledge at boilers, heat pumps, radiant floor heat, space pack, high pressure velocity systems, low pressure velocity systems is what the normal houses are, gas, electric, and ground source. So we have a wide spectrum of areas that we can tend to efficiently and effectively. We're not just a company that can just handle one side of the aspect of the heating. We can handle all realms of heating. Solar, you know, we're pretty much pride ourselves that we can solve your problem.